Hi everyone, welcome to class. My name is Ramani and I'll be guiding you through a quick 5-minute yoga stretch. So we are going to get started in a comfortable seated position with the palms facing up or down on your knees. And we're going to make our way into some head circles. So drop your right ear down towards your right shoulder and then just continue to bring your head all the way around in a circle. And I really want you to take your time here. So really let your neck feel this good stretch here. Relax the shoulders. Make sure your back is straight and relax your hips. And now let's just reverse our head circles. So now we're going to do our head circles towards the left side of the room this time. All right, you can relax and we are going into some full body circles. So shift your body to the right and then back. And I want you to round your spine when you go back and shift to the left and forward. And let's just keep doing these circles towards the right. And I really want you to exaggerate these movements. Take a little pause and then we go towards the other side. So I really want you to be able to feel a stretch in the top of your back, maybe even in the center in the lower back here. All right, and relax as you take a big inhale, sweep the arms up. Exhale, twist to the right, bringing that left hand on top of the right knee as you're twisting in the torso. With every inhale, you want to lengthen your spine. With every exhale, you twist a little bit deeper here. And we take another inhale, lift the arms up, and let's twist to the opposite side here. And we take another inhale, lifting the arms up overhead. Drop that right hand down to the yoga mat, coming into a side body stretch here. And let's make our way over onto the other side, coming into a side body stretch. And I want you to make sure you're breathing in and out through the nose, really just allowing your body to relax here, allowing your body to be still, allowing your mind to be still. And we come back to center. Take a big inhale, exhale, cross-legged forward fold. Walk the hands forward, relax your head, your neck, your shoulders. And I just want you to hang out here for a few moments. And let's rise back up, making our way into a butterfly position with the soles of the feet together. Knees are far apart. Take another big inhale. Exhale, hinge forward, forward fold. Walk the hands forward, or you can keep your hands on your ankles. Let's come back up, extending that right leg in front of us. You're still going to keep that left leg in a butterfly. Take an inhale, lift the arms up overhead. Exhale, forward fold. Take some good deep breaths here. And now let's repeat that same thing on the other leg. So now let's extend that left leg in front of us. Take an inhale and exhale, forward fold. Now let's come up and extend both legs out in front of us. Take a big inhale, lifting the arms up, reach all the way up. Exhale, forward fold.
So sad when love will make you do all the things that we accept, be the things that we regret. So all of my ladies, hear me, come on, sing with me. See, when I get straight to leave, you always tell me that you...
Let's make our way into a comfortable seated position again, bringing the hands to heart center and taking a few deep breaths. You should be extremely proud of the work that you did today. You are so amazing for showing up for yourself and showing up for your health. I do teach other classes if you want to practice with me in person or virtually. Everything that you need is going to be on the screen, and you can also check the description box for any more details that you need. Thank you so much for coming to class, and I'll see you next time.